Besilo ngakhula kwezizwe zonke. It's the 2nd of December today. As a busy siqhubeka no consolidate. Remember we have a summit on the 10th and 11th of December, a follow-up event after ebesinawo ngo-November. Now we are looking at izinto eziningi njengamanje. Indaba ezinhle ezinye ejabulisayo is to get ama status updates on the cases zabantu ebekade bemisa ama-truck just 2-3 months ago. Abanye abaningi bakhona ziningi izinto esiyidiscoverile. Sidiscover ukuthi abantu ngesikhathi bemake manje emsebenzini bazokuthi abantu basebenza 18 years 25 years only to find ukuthi abelungu bebengacontribute imali zabo provident fund. Ukuthiwa abanye basuswa Old Mutual baka Momentum mase kufanele athola imali yonke iminyaka. Umlungu basuse just 6 months ago, nakhona ugcina ukucontribute kwezinye indawo abanye ngoFebruary. Benzozazi indaba engaka ukuthi kudlaliwe ngani. Kuningi esidiscoveryo ngenhlahla. Abaningi bakhona bawenza ama commitments okwenza ama payback. Ngale kwalokho umuntu bese senkingeni. Siyathola even ama agencies ukuthi kanti ama agency iyini inhloso yawo in the first place, because sibona ama companies amaningi enama agencies ahlala ngaphakathi emayadini. Uthola ukuthi umuntu usesebenzile yonke leminyaka, i-agent imtshela ukuthi ayizomkhokhela la iqale khona ukumthatha khona. Abanye banonyaka, abanye bano 2 years, abanye kade bengekho emsebenzini abayitholile ke lezi imali ama claims ade bewenza. But kuthiwa bayaplacewa kabusha emsebenzini, but ukuthi leminyaka ayisebenzele before, which was part of into yokuthi ake sithole ukuthi kwenzakalani ngeindaba zeimali zabantu. Ama retrenchments mayemaningi kangaka, isiphi isizathu. Abanye bese besizakela ukuthi befuna ukubaxosha but they did that unlawfully. Siyababona abanye bebabuyisela emsebenzini, siyababona abanye bezama ukwenza ama excuses. But ngesikhathi benza ama claims, ama case wabo amanye ko bargaining council akhona nje ahlalile, amanye azola ayahlala namhlanje, abanye ayahlala kusasa, even the criminal cases esiwatholayo. But lempi sogcina sinqobile and siyayibona ne commitment yama truck drivers. Well ke khona bebejabulisa ukuthi imali ayiclaimile, uthola imali engaphezulu. Khona abanye ekuvela 46,000 ukuthi athole 46,000. Uma calculate ukuthi umlungu ebengijwayela kabe nginika 9,000 sonke lesisikhathi, but ake ngiqale ngale claim ilunge khona mhlambe ngizokubuyisela emsebenzini ngoJanuary, but okwamanje ake ngithole le mali efana nebonus into ebengayitholi for now. But that's their thinking. Sibhizi ke nama preparations for our summit as iqhubeka isikhathi. But ngaphezulu kwayo yonke into siyaphinde siyalandelela on the cases wabantu. Siyahubhana ke nabelungu abaningi, sigijibisana izinkantolo kunalona nje engengisambiza igama lakhe. Uvela hlalela TikTok kwamacinga umsebenzi khona. Izohubhana. Hubhana nje, ayihubhana sinankinga naye. Noma abasebenzi bethu basijwayela kabasiphinde siwamisa ama truck. Manje sekune team esele ngaphakathi emsebenzini isebenzisana ne team engaphandle komsebenzi ukuthi hayi sizoyinqoba lempi. Eventually we will, and there are people who are coming around, abelungu who are coming around. Abanye baqale kahle benza ama promises bethi no sizoyikhokha, asixolelwe, we are working on those things. Hayi baphinde babothi hayi ngathi kuyazinza, bacala ukuthi bazophinde basijwayele kabi. Njengamanje sinabasebenzi abafuna ukuqala i-strike zabo, like abasebenzi bako Senegal kudilizwe about 9 badala o 55 years o 65 years, ungazi bebengaba offerishing an early retirement, baphume kahle khona. Njengamanje kuningi okwenzakala emakhampanini, amanye amasha aqeda kuyivalela, amanye asathi siyovala lo December nje akwazi ukuthi abantu bedle kahle uChristmas behlukumezekile. And they are worried or driver moreover ngendaba yama accidents abawabona enzeke emgwaqeni ukuthi it's like ugovernment akapay attention to what we've been trying to do. And kune accident esiyibonile bayisende nje groupini enyantisa umzimba ngalendlela bengifisa ukuyifaka, but shuthu TikTok kwami ngavala mangathiwa ngifaka leya video. Abantu bephihlike phansi bekuyi truck yeni ibhaki i-overtake i-truck, wayi-head on collision ne-truck enye nje kwayisiphicoko ongakazi uzosibone kusenomuntu ongaphansi kwe-truck osakhala ovela uhafu kangaka ucela ukuphulwa out asizwe. Omunye uyabona ukuthi isihlobo sakhe kushuthi le ngane engabe ingane leyana ebikade iphihlikile khona lapha phakathi nomgwaqo. Uyabona nje kungenza ukuthi ngisabe ngisho to travel during this time, but nje ngaphezu kwayo yonke into sizozama sizobambisana. Maningi amanye ama-cases that we are still working on, the mines nabanye akhona amanye ama-developments akhona ey'ntweni ezinye esizenzayo mhlawumbe singasayimemezeli because laba belungu baqeda bayo-attack-a le nto esiyenzayo sithi bazoyibona seyivuka nje zonke seyivuka kanye kanye ivuka kanye kanye bese ziyakhala. Asithokoze nalaba baqhubeka bayangifonela abaqhubeka besinika ama-cases wabo, please bring them ngobuningi bawo. Ngicabanga ukuthi inkosazana lesisizayo nje sikepturishelayo ngizophinde ngibe nawo after lunch. They can continue to call us uma singayibambi ifone bokwazi ukuthi khona omunye osase online because silandelela yonke into kufanele kube umuntu oyazi i-case abasebenza nawo. I-case ebekade ifakiwe ama-non-compliance cases before sibe involved bawachaze bashama ama-case numbers, inkinga ikuphi with the bargaining council or CCMA with uLabour or whoever i-case estakhe kubona, sikwazi ukulandelela kulokho bese kuba i-case ebekhona nathi sesikhona sithini status sakhona. Well ke abangani bethu laba mase bekhokhelwa babesasha ngazi noma xa sizobacela imali yabo noma sobenze njani, but that one discourages those abangakafiki kuleso stage because uma ningasho ukuthi hayi sesi-right sesisizakele, you don't have to declare ukuthi utholile imali uthole emalini. You can only tell us because we are capturing information nokuthi silandelela ukuthi where you paid what is due to you accordingly yeni or kanjani. But other than that iyenza ukuthi abanye babe discouraged uma ngingakafiki kubona, uma ngekenzeki kubona ukuthi uthi pho bayosizakala. So please, and I must say we are proud to say that our office is doing very well. Mr. Nkadime ngabameli bethu nabanye abathintekayo who are assisting in the process, they are doing very well emsebenzini owenzakalayo. Asithokoze nje kakhulu kwabesilo. Ngiyazi ukuthi abangiboni kule nsuku sibhizi maningi izinto esizenzayo isemayini nakwezinye indawo and other cases esibhizi nawo, but bazosibona nje very soon. Aba-enjoy kwabantu December wabo, banga-enjoy bakhohlwe baphuze badakwe bangene emgwaqeni bakhumbule ukuthi there are people abane-fatigue emgwaqeni abangaphumuli ngesikhathi umthusa ngehut wena uyibona into oyibona noma uza ngespeed kulo muntu ongaholile ngendlela. As we speak ngama-cases abantu abasebeyatshela ukuthi they won't get their bonuses, abelungu ababaqambela amanga, abanye babatshela ukuthi le mali ababakhokhele yona mali abazobakhokhela yona. People are very angry, people are very hurt emgwaqeni nokuthi ke isithunzi somuntu omnyama ngendlela esihlukumezeke ngakhona sekude phambili, and the politicians are very busy ngezinto zawo. I don't know ukuthi next year uma ngabe khuluma ngokuthi baya kukhetho, they are busy with their manifestos, bazothini esizweni, bazothini kubantu ngendlela benze ngakhona. But ke asiphinde sidibane ngesinye isikhathi. Ngiyathokoza kwabesile mina.